Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Today I'm going to show you how you can plot bar graphs using Python and Matplotlib. Let's get into the code. I assume that you have some data which you want to plot the graph. So here I have course name and number of students in that course. Let's say in physics we have 40 students enrolled, psychology 70, mathematics 25, and so on. Now what I would like to do is I would like to plot a graph on the basis of this data. I want courses in x-axis and number of students in y-axis. We have to use plt.bar and then we need to pass arguments. First argument is the one which you want in x-axis and the second is the one which you want in y-axis. So let's say courses, number of students. Just to make it clear that we can pass many arguments, but for the sake of simplicity I'm just passing 2. We have plotted the graph and now we need to show that graph. So we show it by plt.show and let's run the program. Here you can see our bar graph with course name in x-axis and number of students enrolled in y-axis.